Hello friends, Radhika Ravikumar here. In this tutorial, we'll see how we can create a sequence generator and how we can make use of it in our existing tables. Okay, so the sequence generator is nothing but which creates the sequence. The way how we specify, you can increment it by 1 or you can increment it by 10 or 100, however you specify. That's how the sequence is going to get generated, and the same sequence you can make use in your table instead of specifying the values manually. Okay, so we'll see how we can do that. Just say create table, sorry, very sorry, just say create sequence. So this is how you are going to create the sequence generator. Just say create sequence and give the sequence name. I'm going to say seq tab. Okay, this is going to be my sequence name. Make sure you remember this. Then next you're going to specify few attributes like min value. Min value means like what will be the starting value that you're going to mention, minimum value that you want to start it with. So I'm going to say 1. Okay, then start with, that's the next attribute, start with 1, or you can mention 2, or you can say 10, or you can say 100. So it will start with whichever number you mention. So again I'm going to say 1, and then I'm going to say increment it by 1, or you can even mention 2 or 100, so that it will be like, it will start with 1 and next is going to be 100, then it's going to be 200. It's going to be like that. So I'm going to say increment by 1 again. Okay, so this is how you will be creating your sequence. These are the attributes. There are many other attributes available. As of now, as a beginner, you can just look into these attributes. So your sequence got generated. So how to make use of this sequence in your table is just say insert into, I have a table called default default tab. Okay, so I'll see how we can make use of the sequence generator in this table. How to do that is just say insert into, give the table name that you want to insert this sequence generator to. Just say default underscore tab, and I'm going to mention it as PID. So this is where I want the sequence generator to be present. Then I'm going to say values, and here you need to mention the sequence generator name. So our sequence generator name was seq underscore tab. Then you need to mention it as dot next val. Okay, so if you mention it like this, the next val will be inserted. So we'll see what our value that's been inserted. One row has been inserted. If I go, you can see 1 has been inserted. So next again, if I do the same thing with I'm going to say PID. Again, if I insert, if you select it, you can see 2, so it's incremented by 2, because we said it should the min value, it should start with 1 and increment by 1, right? So that's why it's 1, 2, and next would be 3. You can test it and see. Hope so that you'll be more clear with this sequence generator value. So as I mentioned, you can increment the way you want. It's like, it's a, the customize, you can customize the way you want and you can make use of it. Sequence generator is having many uses across many projects, so it's better to know about all the attributes that are present while creating a sequence generator. So hope this basic overview of the sequence generator is clear for you guys. So I'll just wind up with this, and I'll come up with some other useful tutorials, and keep supporting my videos, and thank you very much for watching.